Cruise liners, often described as floating cities, are marvels of modern engineering and design. These massive vessels not only transport thousands of passengers, but also offer luxury accommodations, entertainment, and advanced technology. The process of building a cruise liner is a testament to human ingenuity, requiring precision, collaboration, and innovation. Let's delve into the fascinating journey of how these ocean giants are brought to life. From vision to blueprint. The creation of a cruise liner is a monumental endeavor that begins long before the first piece of steel is cut. Designers and engineers collaborate to sketch out initial concepts, guided by the cruise line's vision for the vessel. These early ideas consider the ship's size, passenger capacity, and onboard amenities, which may range from pools, theaters, and dining areas, to cutting-edge attractions like water slides, roller coasters, or even go-kart tracks. The goal is to create a vessel that balances luxury, functionality, and innovation while offering a unique experience for passengers. As the concept evolves, the designs are refined into detailed blueprints. These plans account for every aspect of the ship, from its structural integrity and propulsion systems to the layout of public spaces and crew quarters. Aesthetics and safety are carefully balanced, with designers ensuring the ship is both visually stunning and compliant with international maritime regulations. Once the design is finalized, the cruise line selects a shipyard to bring the vision to life. This decision is crucial, as only a select few shipyards worldwide have the expertise and infrastructure to construct such complex vessels. Factors such as cost, timeline, and the shipyard's ability to handle the vessel's immense size influence the choice. The backbone. The steel cutting ceremony is followed by months of intense fabrication. Thousands of steel sheets are cut, shaped, and welded into smaller sections, which will later form the ship's hull and superstructure. These sections are transported to the shipyard's dry dock, where they are assembled like pieces of a giant jigsaw puzzle. Engineers meticulously align and weld these sections to ensure structural integrity. The keel, the ship's backbone, is laid during a traditional keel-laying ceremony, often accompanied by the placement of a coin for good luck. As the lower hull takes shape, workers install essential systems such as fuel tanks, engines, and plumbing, cabins, and interiors. One of the most efficient aspects of modern cruise ship construction is the modular approach to cabin installation. Each cabin is pre-assembled in an off-site factory, complete with furniture, bathrooms, and fixtures. These prefabricated units are transported to the shipyard, where cranes lift and slot them into the ship's structure with precision. This modular approach ensures consistency and minimizes on-site construction time. The cabin's magnetic walls not only enhance fire safety, but also allow for seamless alignment, reducing the risk of miscalculations that could disrupt wiring or plumbing. While the cabins are being installed, teams work simultaneously on the ship's common areas. Dining halls, theaters, spas, and lounges are meticulously designed and furnished. Specialized crews install entertainment systems, lighting, and decor, transforming the ship's interior into a luxurious haven for passengers. On the exterior, the hull is painted, and the ship's name is emblazoned across its sides. Outdoor attractions such as pools, climbing walls, and even miniature golf courses are added to the upper decks. These features not only enhance the ship's appeal, but also showcase the creativity and engineering prowess involved in its construction. The big moment. After months of hard work, the ship is ready for its float-out ceremony. This event marks the first time the vessel touches water. For ships built in indoor dry docks, it's also their first exposure to sunlight. The ship is carefully guided out of the dry dock and into the water, a moment celebrated by workers and engineers alike. Once afloat, the ship undergoes rigorous sea trials. These tests, conducted over several days, assess the vessel's performance, maneuverability, and safety. Insurance representatives and regulatory authorities are present to ensure the ship meets all standards. Any necessary adjustments are made before the ship returns to the shipyard for final touches. Final preparations. With construction complete, the ship embarks on its Shakedown Voyage, a critical step before its grand debut. This short journey to the home port serves multiple purposes, allowing the crew to familiarize themselves with the vessel's operations, systems, and layout. It's a hands-on training period where every department, from navigation to hospitality, ensures seamless functionality. The voyage is also an opportunity to test the ship's performance, identify any technical issues, and address them promptly. During this phase, the ship undergoes meticulous cleaning, organizing, and stocking of supplies. Kitchens are equipped, linens are prepared, and every corner of the ship is polished to perfection. Final safety checks and drills are conducted, ensuring that all protocols are in place for the safety and comfort of future passengers. This preparatory voyage sets the stage for the ship's official debut, ensuring it is not only seaworthy, but also guest-ready. The Grand Debut. The ship's arrival at its home port is a momentous event, marked by celebrations, fanfare, and extensive media coverage. One of the highlights is the naming ceremony, a time-honored maritime tradition. A godmother, often a celebrity or prominent figure, blesses the ship and ceremonially breaks a champagne bottle against its hull. This act symbolizes good fortune, safe travels, and the ship's entry into service. With the ceremony complete, the ship is officially ready to welcome passengers aboard for its maiden voyage. This inaugural journey is the culmination of years of planning, design, and construction. It signifies not just the ship's readiness, but also the beginning of its role in connecting people, cultures, and destinations across the world's oceans. The numbers behind the process. Building a cruise liner is a monumental task, involving staggering amounts of resources and labor. Steel usage. Over 50,000 tons of steel are used in constructing a single cruise ship. Workforce. Approximately 4,000 workers contribute to the construction process. Timeline. Modern cruise ships are built in 12 to 24 months, with some completed in under a year. Cost. The average cost of a large cruise ship ranges from $1 billion to $1.5 billion. Cabins. A typical ship houses over 2,000 cabins, each designed for comfort and safety. The construction of a cruise liner is a blend of art, science, and engineering. From the initial sketches to the final christening, every step is a testament to human creativity and innovation. These floating cities not only showcase the heights of maritime technology, but also promise unforgettable experiences for the thousands of passengers they carry. As these giants set sail, they embody the spirit of exploration and the marvels of modern craftsmanship. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.